Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you'll be watching this video. Okay, I welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time of watching my video, okay, today I'll be teaching you how to remove a background noise from your video. Yes, sometimes you create a very beautiful video, but due to background noise, when someone is watching that video or listening to that video, it will be distracting. The person, the background noise will be kind of distracting the person. You understand? I'm going to teach you a very simple, easy way you can remove a background noise from your music. Okay, before then, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel, okay, and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know next time I post a video, because I'm going to share so many things here with you. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay guys, we'll be using CapCut for this training. Okay, all you have to do is go to your CapCut. If you don't have a CapCut, you go to Play Store and download it. Okay, when you click on it, it will open. This is the interface of CapCut. Okay, you click on new video, add new video. That plus sign there means add. Okay, you click on it, it will take you directly to your gallery to select the video you want to remove the background. You understand? Which picture, which this will you select? Okay, let me go for this one. Okay, now you add, so that you take it directly to the interface where you edit your video to remove the background noise. Now I want you to listen to this video. I want you to watch this video, and you will notice the background noise. Okay, watch it to the end, so that when I remove it, you watch it again, you will see the difference. Okay, now you click on it. You can hear the background noise, both the car, the horse. Okay, so you can hear the noise, the background noise, both the car horn. Okay, so you can hear it. So we'll keep watching.
I mean, I said cheese. Well, I said cheese.
Okay guys, yeah, no need to watch this to the end. You have heard the noise, background noise, right? So we are going to remove that background noise. So all you have to do is tap on that video to highlight it. Okay, when you highlight it, you scroll by your right, you scroll by your left to go and remove the noise. Okay, we are going to click on enhance voice. You tap here. When you tap here, you see this circle here, by your right hand down here. You tap on it. When you tap on it, it drags this thing to get to 100%. Now it's minimizing it. Okay, it's minimizing it. Just give it some seconds, and the whole background noise will just disappear. Yes, it will just disappear, guys. It's on 99. Wow, it's already done. You click. Now guys, watch it. Are you watching it? The background noise is vanished. Okay, the another thing we hear now is the person. Are you saying it? The background noise, everything.
I mean, I
is
said
vanished.
cheese.
Everything is vanished. Everything is vanished.
Well, I said cheese.
This is it, guys. This is it, guys. So like I said before, sometimes after creating your video, the background noise will just spoil everything, and some people will just post it like that. Okay, it's not good. So using this version, you're going to get it right, and your video will have a very quality video, guys. This is it. You tap on delete to delete this CapCut watermarks. Okay, guys, this is it. So go and practice it. Go and practice, especially people that are doing their own video, not AI video. Okay, people like us, sometimes if you are cheating like this, our children will be at the background making noise. We have no other option but to continue doing it. After that, you're gonna remove the background noise, because if you're waiting when everywhere be quiet, our mom, it's not gonna be possible sometimes. So you have to find an alternative way to do it. I don't just I in fact I don't mind. All I do is just create my video, and I will come here and remove the background noise and get the quality video I want. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and go and practice it. Okay, if you practice it and get it, come to the comment section and say yes, I got it. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video for others to learn, because the information you don't know is bigger than you. You may think it's a small information, but no, it's very big. Some people out there don't know it. So guys, thank you for watching. Okay.